The Air Force is at a pivotal moment. To stay ahead, we must think how we communicate, both within our ranks and to the next generation. That's why General Robinson brought together Gen Z public affairs professionals for a week-long mission to challenge our current strategies, explore new approaches, and redefine how we connect with today's American recruits. On day one, we started with ideation, expanding, refining, and challenging ideas on how we tell our story. The goal? Break free from old models and discover what truly resonates with Gen Z. Day two was all about focus, choosing the most impactful ideas and preparing to bring them to life. We pushed boundaries, tested assumptions, and shaped the vision for what comes next. On day three, we took action. Teams built prototypes, tested concepts in real and online communities, and gathered data to validate or disprove their ideas. They didn't rely on a contractor's insights. They went straight to the source: new recruits, active airmen, and the public. By day four, teams refined and strengthened their strategies, preparing to showcase their work. But what we saw went beyond the projects themselves. It was about breaking free from compliance-driven mindset and learning to think like communicators, not just public affairs officers. Participants saw firsthand how industry leaders like Megacat and HEB create content that truly connects. They experimented with new platforms, AI tools, and rapid content development to test messaging in real time. The results were clear. Our traditional funnels are outdated. Our strategies aren't keeping pace. And if we want to compete, not just with other branches, but with the industry, we must evolve.